circles. Areas related to circles. We can observe in our daily life the many designs, many patterns are in the circle or in the shape of the circle. So many designs are manufactured in and around the circle. For example, a triangle inside a circle, a square inside a circle, or a triangle outside a circle, and many pattern designs. For example, many stitchings and many patterns we have observed. A wheel cap for a car is in the shape of the circle, but it has some designs. Many designs on sarees and many designs while construction of the buildings. We have observed many things, that is so much of designs are made within or outside the circle. In those situations, we have to find some areas. So, for that, it is very important to know about the areas related to circles. So, today we deal with the area related to circles. First, we have to understand the perimeter of a circle. What is the perimeter of a circle? What we say that distance covered by traveling once around a circle is its perimeter. Distance covered by traveling once around a circle. For example, here we have a circle. Here we start with. Here we have a circle. Here we have a point and circle P. If we start once with P and come back again to P, that means once around a circle. This distance covered is called the perimeter or circumference of the circle. This is called perimeter or circumference of the circle. Distance covered by traveling once around the circle is called the perimeter or circumference of the circle. We are familiar with the finding the value of pi using the circumference, the ratio of circumference and diameter of the circle. The value of pi is given by circumference to the diameter, the ratio of circumference to the diameter. So, circumference is equal to what? Pi into diameter. What is diameter? Diameter means d into pi. Diameter into pi. Diameter means twice the radius. Diameter always twice the radius. Therefore, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. The circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units. Okay. This is if you write in terms of the radius, your diameter is always twice the radius. Therefore, this can be written as 2r. Therefore, circumference is equal to 2 pi r square units because diameter is twice the radius. It is 2r into pi, 2 pi r. You will write this 2 pi r. What is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is given by pi r square. Pi into square of the radius. We have to consider the square of the radius and multiply it by it with the pi to get the area of the circle. Okay. Now, to solve some problems related to this area of the circle. Okay. Example 1. The cost of fencing. The cost of fencing. The cost of fencing a circular field. A circular field. Circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280 full stop. The field is to be fluffed. At the rate of the field is to be fluffed at the rate of rupees 0.50 per meter square. First stop. Find the cost of fluffing the field. Find the cost of fluffing the field. Find the cost of fluffing the field. You should read the question carefully. It is very essential to read the questions carefully. Okay, are you ready the question? Okay, now we should explain the question. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is 5280. Here, cost of fencing. The field is in the shape of this circular field. The field is in the shape of this circle. So that cost us rupees 24 per meter. Okay, rupees 24 per meter. So the field is to be fluffed at the rate of that field. The circular field is fluffed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. The cost of fluffing per meter square is 0.50, that means 50 paise per meter square. Find the cost of fluffing the field. So you should find the cost of fluffing the field. For that we can find first given things. Here cost of fluffing is given. That is 5280. Therefore, we should find the circumference. First we should know the circumference. Then we can find the area of the circle. After that we have to find the cost of fluffing. To find the circumference, that means the length of fencing. The length of fencing. The length of fencing. You should find first the length of fencing. That means how many meters of fencing is done. You should find it. ಮೊದಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಬೇಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. The fencing. The length of fencing is equal to here. The length of fencing is equal to cost of fencing. Cost of fencing by rate. By how much rate? Okay, cost of fencing by rate. That means the length of fencing is equal to cost of fencing is 5280. Per meter it costs rupees 24. We have to divide this by 24. Okay. 24 ones are and 24 twos are 48. 2 is remaining. Here you have to divide separately here. 5280 by 24 is easily done by 8 ones or 2 ones. 2 twos are 4 here. 12 2 6 2 4s 2 12s. Again 2 ones 2 6 2 ones 2 3s 2 2s. Okay. Again 2 ones 2 3s 2 6 12. Again remaining 2 6 12 0. Okay. 660 by 3. Again here 3 ones 3 twos 3 twos 0. Okay. 220. You get 220 meters. That is the length of fencing is 220 meter. The length of fencing is 220 meter. The length of fencing means what? That is the circumference of circle. Because the field is in the circular shape. Field is in the circular shape. Therefore, the length of fencing is equal to circumference of the circle. Therefore, circumference is equal to 220 meter. Therefore, circumference of the field. Circumference of the field. Circumference of the field is equal to 220 meter. That means the length of fencing. That is circumference is given by 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 220. Here 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 0. That is pi r is equal to 110. What is the value of pi? The value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r is equal to 110. Which implies you have to multiply cross multiply here. 22r is equal to 7 into 110. 770 11 7 7 770. Again you have to start dividing here. 11 2s 11 7s 2 35 are. Therefore, R is equal to 35 meter. The radius of the circular field is 35 meter. The radius of the given circular field is 35 meter. Okay. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the cost of luffing. So, to find the cost of luffing, we should find the area of the circular field. After finding the area of the circular field, it is possible to find the cost of luffing. So, we have to find the area of the circular field. That is area. Area is equal to what? Pi r square. What is the formula to find the area of the circle? The area of the circle is calculated by pi r square. That means pi is 22 by 7. R, what is R? R means radius of the circle, that is 35 meter. 35 square. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 35 square means 35 into 35. 35 into 35. That is 7 ones are, 7 5s are. That is equal to 22 into 5 into 35. We have to multiply these things. 22 into 5. 22 into 5 means 110. 110 into 35 we have to multiply. 110 into 35. Okay. 22 into 5. Try to multiply this. 22 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. That is 110. It becomes 110. Okay. Into 35. 110 into 35. We multiply. 110 into 35. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 0, 5, 8, 3. 3850. Therefore, area is equal to 3850 meter square. Therefore, area of that circular field is 3850 meter square. Area of that circular field is 3850 meter square. Okay. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the cost of luffing. The field is to be fluffed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. Okay. Per meter square, the cost is 0.50. Therefore, what is the cost of luffing? That can be calculated by cost of luffing per meter square is 0.50. Okay, 0.50. Therefore, cost of luffing the given circular field, cost of luffing the given circular field is equal to 3850 into 0.5. 3850 into 0.5. 0.5 means half. Okay. 3850 into 0.5 means half. Half of this. We have to take the half of this. That is 2 ones are 2. 1 is remaining 18. 2 nines are 18. Here and again 2 twos are 4. 2 fives are 10. 1925. The cost of cooking is due to problems that related to area of a circle. Now we pass on to some exercise problems. Okay, some exercise problems you try to solve. This is 5.1. First question. The radii of two circles. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Sum of the circumference of the two circles. Here the radii of two circles, the given the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Okay. The given the radii of two circles. If the radius of the circle is given, so we can easily find the circumference of the circle. After finding the circumference of two circles, you have to add the circumference of those two circles and then find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to sum of the circumference of two circles. Here one circle has radius 19 centimeter, another circle has radius 9 centimeter. Okay. After adding these two circumferences, you get another bigger circle. You have to find the radius of this circle. Okay, this is the problem. So First we have to find the circumference of the given circle. First here radius of the first circle. Radius of the first circle. We have to consider the radius of the first circle, that is R1. We have to take R1, that is 19 centimeter. Radius of the first circle is R1, that is 19 centimeter. That is circumference of first circle. We have to just find the circumference of first circle. Circumference of first circle is equal to 2 pi R1. Circumference is given by 2 pi R. Therefore, circumference of first circle is equal to 2 pi R1. That is equal to 2 into what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into R1 radius. Or we should keep the pi as it is. That is the easiest way. We should keep the pi as it is. 2 pi into R1. What is R1? R1 is 19. It is 19. We should multiply 2 into 19. 19 2s are 38. That is 38 pi. Circumference is 38 pi centimeter. Unit is centimeter. The circumference of the first circle is 38 pi centimeter. Okay. Then circumference of the second circle. Circumference of the second circle is taken by 2 pi R2. R2 is the radius of the second circle. What is the radius of the second circle? They given 9 centimeter. That is 2 pi into R2 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 18 pi centimeter. Therefore, circumference of the second circle is 18 pi centimeter. So we have to find the radius of the circle, which has circumference is equal to sum of the circumferences. Therefore, we have to find the radius of the third circle. That means we have to consider the circumference of third circle. Circumference of third circle. Circumference of third circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle. We have to add the circumferences. Okay, we have to add the circumferences. So, what is the circumference of the first circle? That is 38 pi. What is the circumference of the second circle? That is 18 pi. Okay. Therefore, total is, we have to take the pi as common factor. Pi of 38 plus 18. That is equal to 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. 56 pi. That is 56 pi. The circumference of the third circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Now, we have to cancel pi on both sides. Pi on both sides. And again, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining 16. 2 8s are 16. That is 28. Therefore, the radius of the third circle is 28 centimeter. The radius of the third circle is Now we will consider one more problem. We will consider one more problem. The radii of example 2 in the exercise 5.1. The radii of two circles. The radii of two circles 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Sum of the areas of two circles. The radii of two circles 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Here the problem is the radii of two circles are 6 cm and 8 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So we have one more circle. Here the radius of two circles are given. We should find the area of those two circles, and then the third circle we have to find the radius of the third circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the given circles. So for that we have to find the area of the given circles. So first here the solution, that is radius of first circle. Radius of first circle, that is equal to 8 cm. Therefore area of the first circle, area of circle 1, area of circle 1 is equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi into what is the radius? 8 square, that is equal to 64. 8 square means 64 pi square inches. Here the area of the first circle is 64 pi square inches. Now you have to consider the radius of second circle. Radius of second circle is 6 centimeter. Radius of second circle is 6 centimeter. Therefore, area of circle 2. Area of circle 2 is equal to pi r2 square. R1 means radius of the first circle, R2 means radius of the second circle. Okay, we have to take R1 and R2 are the radius of the first circle and the second circle. That is pi. What is R2? R2 is 6 centimeter, that is 6 square. 6 square means how much? What is the square of 6? That is 36. 36 pi. 36 pi square units. Okay. This is the area of the square units means this is in centimeter square. Okay. 36 square units is centimeter. They given centimeter. Therefore, centimeter square. This is also centimeter square. Now, we should find the radius of the third circle. We should find the radius of the third circle. Radius of the third circle. Having the area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So, area of the third circle. Area of the third circle. Area of the third circle is equal to area of circle 1 plus area of circle 2. Area of the third circle is equal to area of circle 1 plus area of circle 2. What is the area of circle 1? Area of circle 1 is 64 pi plus area of circle 2. What is the area of circle 2? 36 pi. 36 pi. Okay. Here, area of the third circle is pi r3 square. Pi r square. We will consider the radius of the third circle is r. If you consider the radius of the third circle is r, then area of the third circle is pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 64 pi plus 36 pi. Now, here pi r square is equal to, we have to take the pi as a common factor here. Pi of 64 plus 36. That means here pi and pi get cancelled. Pi and pi get cancelled. That is r square means 64 plus 36. What is the sum of these two? That means the sum of 64 plus 36 is 100. R square means 100. The square of a number is 100. Therefore, the given number is what? What is the given number? If the square of a number is 100, what is the number? That is the square. R square means 100. That means it implies R is equal to how much? R is equal to plus or minus 10. R is equal to plus or minus 10. But here the radius is always positive. Therefore, R is equal to 10 centimeter. The radius of the third circle is 10 centimeter. Thank you for watching this video. We will continue in the next class.
ಹ್ಞೂ
ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಉಳಿಕೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನ